Equally is a pre-bill splitting app that makes it easy to track shared expenses, split bills fairly, and settle up with friends and family, no matter where they are. In this video, we walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Equally from scratch. What's covered in this video? Onboarding and account registration. Create your pre-Equally account in seconds. Edit your profile. Set your name, username, and profile picture. Create a group and invite friends. Create a group and watch your friend receive an instant notification. Add an expense. Add a shared expense. Your friend get notified of their share immediately. Friends can add expenses too. See how any group member can log expenses and notify others instantly. Settle up. Mark a payment settled. The other person get notified right away. Home screen balances. See exactly who is what at a glance. Invite friends via WhatsApp. Share your group invite code directly on WhatsApp. Stats and spending insight. Track your spending by category and time period. Profile and achievement badges. View your expense history and unlock achievements. Join a group using invite code. See how easy it is to join a group with a simple invite code. So download Equally and enjoy using it. Thanks for watching.